Yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeandModel.com. Today I have another amazing software for you. This one is from Jason Fulton and it's called Inject A.I Cash. And this one, in a nutshell, he says is the one first AI application that auto-injects $29 payments into your account 14 times or more per day. And of course, that this is going to help you easily make $435 per day. And this is an amazing product according to Jason Fulton. And if this is a product you are going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. My name is Mike of the MikeandModel.com. I do these reviews every other day to actually bring down some of the products that are going to help you make money online, just like Inject A.I Cash. And it's going live on the 23rd of May 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I have access to the very video and dashboard area which you are going to see as we go on this very one, and also I'll show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are going to help you make the decision to see if you can get a copy of this. And I have another second page of bonuses that I'm going to give you, which is exactly this, that will be sent to you by Google Doc, by email, so that you'll be able to make use of amazing training software, ebooks and books that are going to eventually help you make money online. This one is another from Jason Fulton, and the benefits are so much that you get paid regardless if you work or not. And AI Emulator injects 29 payments over and over. 345 out of the 245 beta testers made money with Inject AI Cash. All you need is 30 seconds per day, because everything is AI automated. 365-day money back guarantee, and you let AI do all the work while you sit back and profit. Zero coding or technical experience is required, and they are offering $10,000 if you saw anything very close to this one, and no upfront cost required, and you get paid $300 if you fail to get results. These are promises that sound very, very good, but the decision to pick up this one will be made by you, and I am only bringing them out because I know the antecedents of this man, Jason Fulton, as long as it comes to making money online. Now let us take a look at the very sales page and see exactly what this one is going to do for you. Like I read the benefits, this is the sales video you are going to watch when you arrive. At any point you will decide to pick up this one, that first link in my description will bring you to this sales page where you can pick up a copy using this very green link, and you will be able to get it on Wallet Plus. And after your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that's going to show you exactly how to go about getting the product, Inject AI Cash, and of course my amazing bonuses. And these are the income proofs from some of the beta testers of this product, and you can attest to the fact that they are actually making money with this very strategy and AI system. So that's about what we have, and I will be able to get you to the point where you will see some of the things yourself when you arrive here, and then that's the much I can go as long as this one is concerned. But in any case, I don't know if I should go further to read most of this when I know you are going to read it at your convenience when you arrive here. But in any case, this is exactly what this product is about. It's about launching campaigns, marketing campaigns where you have your affiliate links or any offer or blogs or whatever embedded, and it will help you also capture leads and create emails that you can sequence and send out for your offers. All these are going to be done in a single dashboard, which is the software itself that I'm going to play the video for you as we go on with this one. Now let me, for the sake of clarity, show you exactly the bonuses that I have lined up for you on this one without wasting any more time, and also show you the pricing. But before we go into the bonuses, let us see the pricing. The front end goes for $17, and it will give you access to this very application, which is exactly this. And we also have the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited, goes for $37. OTO number 2 is the done for you, it goes for $297. OTO number 3 is $97. OTO number 4, $47. OTO number 5, $147, which I guess is the reseller license, and also you have the OTO number 6, which goes for 47, OTO number 7 for 77, OTO number 8, $97, and OTO number 9 for $77. And that's basically what you have. If you buy this product using this front end, you have access to all this. This is the campaign, the dashboard, of course, the lists that have been built with this very AI arrangement, and you have templates, and this is where you grab your lead in case you want to send emails of your offers to the client or the audience somewhere. And here you have the ability to go through the sending, and this button gives you access, of course, to the tutorials on how this helps you to make money online. So now let's see the amazing bonuses I have for you. This very review is going to be a very short one. How to rank any site on page number 1 on Google. You know what that means. You have also monetization strategies, and you have also access to product vote that has 17 training courses and software and Chrome extensions that are going to help you in one way or the other make money online, including CPA offers. You have also this one as my bonus number, which is going to give you access to how to create free professional website for your audience. You also have this access to the commission toolbox, which is going to show you many links, up to 1,000 links that are going to give you one capability or not, and you'll be able to use this link when you arrive at my bonus page. If you click the very first link in my description, when you do that, you buy this product, and under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to Inject AI Cash, and this blue one will give you access to my amazing bonuses, which I have shown you. Now we are going to see the second page of bonus that I have for you lined up, which will definitely help you make up your mind on this. This one is exclusive mega bonuses from me, 10 of them in number. The first one is the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, the list building expert, which complements completely with Inject AI Cash. And you have internet marketing fast start, affiliate marketing secrets, you have 30-day to bigger email list ebook, chatbot marketing mastery, building the perfect sales funnel, which is what you're going to use to send the campaigns, and blogging for profits, email list building blueprints, and copywriting crackdown. So these are crazy bonuses that I have for you, which are going to be sent to you by email when you buy this. But this page of the bonuses will definitely be waiting for you on my WordPress account when you purchase this product. Okay, so now let us take a look at the video of this product in action, and we'll wrap up after that. Okay.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make limitless Alright, here is your phone name, here is your home email. Your reply email will be like this. Alright, now click on save and next. Just wait for a few seconds. Alright, now here it is. You can upload your own template for email, or just click here. There are inbuilt templates too, like this. Now just click here, go to Email Builder Pro. Okay, so as you can see, the template is now open. You can rewrite the text, say like this here. Check out my free services. You can also bold the text like this. You can change the font, you can change the color like this. Alright, you can add your affiliate link, you can add your website link as an hyperlink so that customer will open your link and they can buy the product through you, and you will get the affiliate commission, you will get the money. Now just click save and close, and now click on just click on schedule, and you can schedule your campaign here. Alright, you can change the date, change the month like this, and just now click on save. Alright, as you can see, here is the calendar. You can set the campaigns and then click on save, and your email will be sent, your campaign will be sent to your subscribers or the lead grabs. And you can send with your own API or SMTP using sending servers like this. Here are so many sending servers. You can add SMTP in Amazon, SendGrid, Mailgun, Elastic, and you can add your own SMTP as well. If you don't using these services, then you can add your own SMTP like this. So suppose if I am adding SendGrid API, just click on name, like your sender name, your API here, your email address for sending. You can set your sending credits like this. You can click on unlimited if you want to send unlimited campaigns, and now click on save. So this is how you can add your own sending servers. So thank you for watching.
Yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of MikeComedy.com. This is exactly where we are going to actually come to the end of this one. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. And I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeComedy.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, guys, it's goodbye.